So it's been a while since I put a video out. We've had a lot going on. Even though we have made it down to Texas, we've had some other issues come up after getting everything moved, and I've just not had any time to edit the video for the move preparation. And if you've noticed, I'm in my truck driving. We had thought we would be done with long distance travel once we got to Texas, to the Dallas area. But unfortunately, my wife's mother has passed from COVID, and her sister is in ICU in Houston. So we've had to go to Louisiana, and we are in the process of cleaning up from my wife's mother's house and getting all of her personal effects in order, I guess you could say. Planning a funeral and trying to figure out how everything is going to go, since the executor of my mother-in-law is in ICU, and that means that my wife is now having to step in without knowing exactly what is her mother's wishes. So we're trying to do the right thing, and we're kind of inundated with what we have to do. So I'll put out videos periodically, as this is a personal family matter. I won't be putting much of a video out on what we do at my mother-in-law's. My wife, however, on her channel, she will do a little more, I think. So anyhow, figured I would do a quick update, let everybody know, and we will see you on the next video.